All right, YouTube, this is probably the last video I'll make on this 2006 Audi A4 B7 2-liter Quattro 6-speed manual. Long story short, I'm selling the car. I'm selling it today. A couple of months ago, I got in a little fender bender. A guy in a Jeep came out and hit me. Long story short, the insurance wouldn't pay. Ripped the bumper off. The car drives fine. Drove it home that night. Still drives fine. Just, I was just a little discouraged with it. We're building the house, and I've just got too much going on right now. So that's why I'm getting rid of it. The guy was going to buy it last night. However, the alternator popped right before he left. I told him I'd change it out for him. So this is the last video I'll make. First thing you want to do here is you want to get that tensioner undone. So I used an 18mm wrench, stuck it on there. You can see I've already popped that the serpentine belt off, but you'll use that 18mm wrench to get that off. The next thing you're going to want to do is, well, the next thing I'm going to do anyway, is I'm going to take this nut off on the back, and then there's 4 of these Allens. 1, 2, 3, and 4 down there at the bottom. Pop those off, the new alternator should come out. Oh, and the clip. I'm hoping I can finagle it out this way. However, there might be a small chance I need to take the intake boot off, or the intake tube off. I'll let you know. So next thing I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take this off. This back nut here is a 13mm. I was able to break it loose with a ratcheting wrench, and then come off with your finger. This right here is a number 6 Allen to break those loose. To get this one underneath here, right there, I can't get it to sit straight. So I'm gonna get a triple square and take that thing off so that I can move this this coolant pipe around just a little bit. All right, so I hope this saves you some time. I spent more time fighting with this clip than I did with the whole job. So to get this clip out, you can see here, if you push, there's that piece in there that flips up like that. How you get that out is, or how you're gonna get that to work is, you push in back towards the alternator, push down on this clip where my thumb is, and then slowly back it out. I used a flathead screwdriver to help push it off. But yeah, you just need to get that piece up so that it gets around that knob right there on the alternator. Okay, so here's the old part. Here's the new part. The back of that. I think that might be original. But yeah, that looks like the same piece. You always want to compare them, because just in case the part store, they could send you the wrong part. And to reinstall your new alternator is going to be the same process you followed, just in reverse. Super easy task. Good luck.